Maraming beses na akong sinubukan patayin ng pag-ibig, pero heto ako ngayon at humihinga pa. Ways to recover from breakups, pag-usapan natin yan for this video. Ang dami-daming pwedeng gawin kapag nasaktan ka sa pag-ibig, but I have here my top 5 based on my research. Ways to recover from breakups. Number 1, rely on your loved ones. It doesn't mean na nasaktan ka dahil sa jowa mo or sa partner mo, wala na nagmamahal sa'yo. You have your friends, relatives, and family. You can talk to them. Yan yung ginawa ko. What I did is I talked to my family instead of my friends. So yon, mas nakatulong pag family yung kinakausap mo about love. Number 2, feel your feelings. Ramdamin mo yung pain, ramdamin mo yung sakit, yung betrayal, at doon mag-start an acceptance. Yan. Mahirap yan gawin ha. Mahirap gawin yung ramdamin mo yung ramdamin mo yung pain. Ang hirap gawin yan, but that's where acceptance starts. Number 3, focus on self-care. Diba, pag nasasaktan tayo, sinasabi natin, mas mamahalin ko na yung sarili ko. I will give more time to myself. Yan. You can go shopping, travel, diba? Yan yung mga isa sa mga ginagawa ng mga tao kapag nasasaktan. Shopping, travel, eating, but, do not deal the pain with alcohol or drugs. Never and never. Number 4, limit your life to social media kapag nasaktan ka. Yes guys, sharing it's okay, but sharing everything of what happened, it's not okay. Social media nowadays is very toxic. So limit yourself with social media. Number 4 or number 5, I mean, cut off communication with your ex. Ang hirap gawin to ha. Ang hirap gawin na mag-cut ng communication sa ex mo, especially if you are trying to reconcile, if you are trying to fix things out. Ang hirap. But kapag wala na talaga, alam mo yan eh, maramdaman mo na wala na talaga. Kapag wala na talaga, cut everything. Cut the ties, cut the communication. At makaka-recover ka. May natutunan ba? This is Miss Ace. Thank you.